Hello students, in this video we are going to solve first 10 questions of section 1 from 32nd International Kangaroo Mathematics Contest 2022. Class 7 and 8, which is of cadet level. Question number 1. Mike pedaled around 5 bows as shown. Around which of the bows did Mike pedal in a clockwise direction? Let's understand the question. This is the clockwise direction in which the clock ticks, and on the other way around, this is the anti-clockwise direction, which is also known as the counterclockwise direction. So we need to see around which of the boys did he pedal in the clockwise direction. Okay, let's see. For example, Mike started his journey from here. Then in this direction you see the direction is like this, and like this. This is the anti-clockwise direction. Okay, then he pedaled along buoy 2. In this direction you see it is being traveled in the clockwise direction as already told over here. Then he continues the journey along buoy number 3, in which again the direction is clockwise like this, and then he continues his journey to buoy 4, in which you can see the direction is counterclockwise or the anti-clockwise, and finally he proceeds to buoy number 5, in which you see that the direction is again the clockwise direction. So the correct option may be comprising of buoys 2, 3 and 5, which comprises option E. Okay, proceeding further, this is question number 2 now. Beta rearranges the 5 numbered pieces shown to display the smallest possible 9-digit number. This is what we need to really focus on, smallest and 9-digit number. Which piece does she place at the right hand end? Means the piece which arises at the 9th place from the left, or at the units place, means on the rightmost side. Okay, let's see. To have the smallest number, as we can see over here, the number must be starting with the smallest possible digit from the left side. From all the options available, the smallest number containing the leftmost digit to be the smallest is this. So that comprises 107. 107. Okay, now from the remaining ones we have either 4, 8, 31 or 59. Now we need to see which of these has got the smallest digit on its left. From all of these, obviously we have got 31, which can be accommodated over here, so that makes 31. So we are done with this 31 also, we are done with this 107 also. Then proceeding further in the same way, we need to see which of the remaining 4, 8 and 59 contains the smallest digit to be placed over here at the left. So from 8, 4 and 59, this 4 is going to be placed at the third place. So let's place it over here, 4. So we are done with this 4. Then we need to see for 8 and 59. Obviously 59 would be accommodated over here in the same pattern, and at the end we are left with 8. So this is going to be at the end. So our option is going to our answer is going to be option B. This is going to be the answer. Okay, then we proceed further. Kangaroo enjoys jumping on the number line. He always makes 2 large jumps followed by 3 small jumps as shown, like 0 till 3, then 6, then 7, 8, 9, and the pattern goes on, and then repeats this process over and over again. Kangaroo starts his jumping routine on 0. On which of these numbers will Kangaroo land during his routine? Okay, let's see. We can solve this problem in a way as the pattern has been given to us. After this 9, obviously Kangaroo would be jumping for 3 more, like he would be continuing or jumping to 12 after this 9, and then jumping to 3 more, which is 15, and then 16, 17, 18. Okay, after this again a jump of 3 that comprises 21, then 24, and then 25, 26, and 27. What we need to observe is that in this pattern we are having 3, 12, 21, and ending at 9, 18, and 27. We observe from all these that these are the multiples of 3, the numbers which are divisible by 3. So from all the options which are available, we need to see which option is a multiple of 3. Obviously 82 not. B is also not a multiple of 3. 85 is also not divisible by 3, neither 86. So the only option which is divisible by 3, that is 84. So our option answer should be option number C. Okay, we can carry on like this and proceed to question number 4. The number plate of Kangi's car fell off. He put it back upside down, but luckily this didn't make any difference. Which one of the following could be Kangi's number plate? When making the plate upside down, that makes no difference. We need to see which of these number plates could be an option. Starting from A, when we make 4 upside down, that would be looking something like this. So obviously that makes a difference. So this option may not be considered as our answer. Okay, then let's see for option C, for example. In this case we see the number is B. When it would be made upside down, it is going to be something like this. Okay, that is fine. Then N, when it is to be made upside down, we would see that it is not going to reflect like this. It is going to be something like this. or it is going to be something like this. So this is going not to be our answer. Then we proceed in the same way. If we just see option B, 6 reflected to give you 9. Okay, or like this, 0 0 and H like H, O reflected to become an O, and same way. So our option can be option B. Then we proceed further. Question number 5. Rob the builder has a brick whose shortest side is 4 centimeters. He uses several such bricks to build the cube shown. What are the dimensions in centimeter of this brick? First of all, we need to understand that when it is said that the smallest dimension of the brick is 4, that means, like, if a brick is something like this, in this case we see the smallest of the dimensions of the brick is obviously the height. That means the height is going to be 4 centimeters. So let's see how many bricks are there in the height of this cube. These are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. That means height consists of 6 bricks and each having a height of 4 centimeters. So the total height of this cube is 24 centimeters. Okay, if this is a cube, that means its remaining two dimensions would be the same, means each of these would be 24 centimeters. Okay, then let's see what is going to be the dimension in the other two dimensions, like the front one and the side one. For this we need to see three bricks are there in the front side, and for that reason the front side is having a length of 24 centimeters, because this is a cube in which all of the sides are of equal dimensions. Since the height was 24 centimeters, so its length is also going to be 24 centimeters. So it contains 3 bricks in it, so each brick would be having a length of 8 centimeters. Okay, then for the side view we have got 2 bricks, so the length or the width, which is comprising of 24 centimeters, when we divide it by 2 bricks we get 12 centimeters. So all together we have got the dimensions, one is going to be 12, other one is going to be 8, and the previously as we did, that contains 4 centimeters. So the correct option is going to be option C. Okay, then we proceed to question number 6. The black and white caterpillar shown in the picture curls up to sleep. Which of the following could be seen? This is the caterpillar, and from all these patterns we need to see, or we need to eradicate the odd ones out. Let's see, for example, option E, that contains 3 black dots consecutively. that might not be the case. As you can see, black and white portions are occurring alternatively. Same goes for D and C also. Let's think of B and A. For B, for example, starting from any point like here, then we have got black, white, black, black, two white are there, but with that there is going to be something like black and white are not occurring simultaneously. So the only option we are left with is option A, but we can see in this pattern also two blacks and two whites are together, but in this case we might see that there is a possibility that the caterpillar might be accommodating like this, in this way. So that might be the option A. Okay, in the same pattern we proceed further. In the statement below, there are 5 empty spaces. Senja wants to fill 4 of them with plus signs and 1 with a minus sign, so that the statement is correct. Means 1 with a minus sign. Let's do it with the hit and trial method. Let's, for example, start with putting plus signs, plus, 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 and let it be minus. So when we add them, we see that the answer does not equal 45. Okay, then let's arrange this negative sign at somewhere else, like on this place, for example. So it is going to be plus over here, minus over here, plus over here, plus over here, plus over here. Now if we add all these, like 6 plus 9, which is 15, 15 plus 15 is 30, 30 and 12 is 42, and 42 plus 21, that is 63. And if we subtract 18 from this now, that is going to be 13 minus 8, 5, and 5 minus 1, that is 4. So this is going to be our option, which is the minus sign should be between 15 and 18. So the correct option is option D. It's question number 8 now. There are 5 big trees and 3 paths in a park. In which region of the park should a new tree be planted so that for each path there are the same number of trees on both sides? Same number of trees on both sides. For this, we can see it in different ways. For example, when we consider this path, we see 1, 2, 3. 3 trees are below it and 2 trees are above it. So we are having two options to plant the tree, either at A or at C. Okay, in the previous one, in this one, we are having either A or C. Now let's do it for other path. In this case, the 3 trees below are at this and this point, and the trees that could be planted above are either this, at this, or this. In the same way, let's do it for the third path, which is this path, in this case now, to plant the tree, we see that 1, 2 and 3 trees are here. We need to plant 3 more trees. To make the 3 trees on the other side, we have got the options. Either it can be planted over here, or over here, or over here. So in all of these, we observe the best possible option is option B, which comprises of the maximum number of options, as was the case with the first one also. One tree, two tree, three tree, and this is so B comprises the 3 possibilities of the trees to be planted. So our answer is option B. Now we proceed to question number 9. How many positive integers between 100 and 300 have only odd digits? Okay, when we are talking about the odd digits, we need to see that starting from 100, then 101, then 102, and so on. This contains 2 even numbers, so this number cannot be included. It contains one odd digit, one even digit 2, so this number cannot be included, and so on. So the numbers which might be included are 111, 113, 115, 117, 119. Then we cannot include 120 or any number in this series like 120 or 121 or 122 and so on. For that, we need to see that we can include only 131, then 133, then 135, then 137, 139, and so on. So we see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digits in 111 series, 1 series, then 5 numbers in 1 series. So how many series are possible? Similarly, 1 5, 1 7, 1 9, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So 5 times 5, we have got 25 options here. Then after the number 199, for example, we would be having 200 series. So none of the numbers within this range from 200 till 299 is void of an even number, so we cannot have any number within this range. So after this we are having 300, that again contains 2 even digits. So the only option is 25 numbers within the given range. So our answer should be option A, 25 numbers. Okay, then we proceed further to the last question. Girard wrote down the sum of squares of two numbers as shown. Unfortunately, some of the digits cannot be seen because they are covered in ink. What is the last digit of the first number? We need to depict this digit. Okay, as we can see that the second number contains 2 at its units place, and its square is obviously going to have 4 at its units place. So if we observe the number on the right side, it contains 9 at its units place. So this number over here must have a digit 9 minus 4, that is 5. So we need to see that since it is a square, so the possibility is 5 squared makes 25. So this 5 digit is the only digit whose square contains 5 at the units place. So this digit should necessarily be 5. So our answer is option C. So that's it for now. I hope you have understood all these concepts and you would be liking the video. If it is the case, do let me know. Thanks a lot for the moment. Take care of yourself. Bye bye.